In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to activate your Windows using KMSauto.net. So every time you see this message here on your desktop, it says activate Windows. You can easily activate it using KMSauto.net feature. So what you need to do, you click on this KMS.auto. Then you run this application KMSauto.net. You double click on it, give it some time to load. Then it will ask you if you want to allow the app to run on your device. So you allow it by clicking yes. Thereafter, it will open a dialog box that is prompting us either to check for information or to activate. So we are going to use the activation feature. So click on activation. Then there are two things that we can activate using this KMS auto. We can either activate Windows or activate Office. So on our machine right now, we have the message that is prompting us to activate Windows. So we are going to select option 1, which is activate Windows. Then we give it some time to load. There's some information that will be displaying on the dialog box as it continues to run on your machine. So you give it some time to load until it prompts you, or it displays a message that your Windows has been activated. Thereafter, this message, as you can see, it has already been removed from our desktop. So we wait until we see a message telling us that the Windows has been activated. Great. So we now have your product has been successfully activated. Then on this task scheduler, you're going to click no. Then after this, you can either activate Office or you can just close. Then after that, you can see that we don't have any the message activate Windows on our desktop anymore. So that is simply how you can be able to activate your Windows every time when it expires. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.